Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to claim the retirement savings contribution credits on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So go ahead and determine if you're eligible for the retirement savings contribution credits. You can do that. You can check that out on Turbotax website. And if you've determined that you're eligible, go ahead and gather the necessary documents. Of course, just go ahead and collect your retirement saving contribution documents, including your form 8880. And next, just sign into your Turbotax account on the Turbotax website using your email address and your password. Once you sign into your account, just select the tax year that you want to claim the credit for. Next, you're going to choose credits and then select retirement savings contributions credits as your credit type. Next step is going to be to enter your credit information, including your retirement savings contributions amounts. And then you're going to claim the credits based on your eligibility and credit information. And once that's done, just review your credit claim and submit it to the IRS. And they're going to take care of the rest from there. That's pretty much it on how to claim the retirement savings contribution credits on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.